Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm doing a quick video, not a full install, but kind of a run through on the Hot Racing forward battery mount for an HPI FJ Cruiser Venture. So the reason I'm doing this is because I bought a 3S battery, didn't fit in the factory tray, and I wanted to move the weight up front. So if you're like me, you bought this, you can't find any information on how to install the thing. So basically you can see how this mounts. Through the slider brackets. So you have to pull your sliders off, and then your two bolts. There's one here, and on the back side you have these brackets. Now inside these brackets you can see where the factory nylon nut used to be. You have to pop those out and reuse them. That's what these little black nylon nuts are from. So you take these brackets off, and the back and the front, you kind of see them in there. And that's basically how it mounts. And then put the top plate on after both brackets are put in. I did remove the factory battery tray and use the supply nylon lock nuts that came in the battery tray kit. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Figured I would make this video real quick, try to help some people out. There's literally 4 pictures of this online, 0 videos. Hopefully this helps somebody. Sure would have helped me, but I just dug into it and figured it out. Alright, have a good day. Thanks.